Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to knit this beautiful and very pretty looking easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your both gents and ladies sweater, baby's blanket. You can knit this in your any project. And see, this is the look of this pattern. It has this beautiful texture. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast on multiples of 2, or you can cast on any even number stitches. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 stitches on my needle. You can take any number you like. It has to be on even number stitches. So row 1, see the row 1 right side. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch, knit, or you can knit it through the back loop. You can do both. So your edge stitch, knit, and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1 and knit 1. That's the repeat. Purl 1, you start with purl 1 and knit 1. That's the repeat. Repeat that again. Purl 1 and knit 1. Purl 1, knit 1. Purl 1, knit 1. One more repeat. Purl 1, knit 1. So we have done 6 repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have done all repeats, and your last edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. Row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side, and here you will purl the purl stitch and slip this knit stitch. See, this knit stitch you will slip, and this purl stitch you will purl. So purl 1 and slip 1. That's the repeat. Purl 1 and slip 1. Again, purl 1, slip 1. Purl 1, slip 1. Purl 1, slip 1. Purl 1, slip 1. We have done our all repeats, and your last edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 3 right side. For row 3 right side, we're gonna alternate these stitches. Now we're gonna knit this bump here and this knit stitch here. So row 3, your edge stitch, slip on the right side, and now we're gonna start with knit 1. Before, on row 1 we started with purl 1 purl stitch, and now for row 3 we're gonna start with knit 1 knit stitch. So knit 1 and purl 1, purl this knit stitch. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1 and purl 1. See, knit 1 and purl 1. Knit 1, knit on this bump, purl stitch, and then purl on this knit stitch. Knit 1, purl 1. Again, knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1 and purl 1, and your edge stitch, knit on the right side. See? Row 4 right wrong side, and last row, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side, and start the repeat from here. See, you slip this knit stitch and purl this purl stitch. So slip 1 and purl this purl stitch, purl 1, slip 1, purl 1. That's the repeat. Slip 1 and purl 1, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1 and purl 1, and your edge stitch, purl. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. This is one repeat. Now repeat these 4 rows, row 1 to row 4, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.